Hi, welcome to Alfa Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you this 2017 Alfa Romeo 2-litre TB Super. Now this is the petrol engine married to the silky smooth automatic gearbox with paddle shift on this one as well. Now this car is a very nice mileage, less than 30,000, and is in superb condition. Now, lots of nice factory options on this one, you'll be pleased to know. So with this one has a panoramic roof, as you can see there, which is open. And I must admit, I do love Alfa gloss. Now, this is what we class as Alfa Red. There's only one real red, isn't there, you can buy an Alfa Romeo Giulia in, and that is this. So, Alfa Red, or gloss, is a stunning colour, and this one is in superb order throughout. The front of the car, that dynamic centre V-shaped grille, and then those headlamps and the offset of the number plate do stand these cars out amongst the pack. Now this car's riding on the 17-inch graphite grey alloy wheels, and then they have the factory option of the red Alfa Romeo brake caliper. Now as we go round the vehicle, you'll see that the previous keeper has maintained and cared for it in line with Alfa services. So you'll be able to see on our website the 3 services previous to it coming to us are all at the Alfa Romeo showroom or dealership. Tyres are all great on this car, and the wheels are all in lovely order. Now obviously when we detail it, we remove them, we wash them, we polish the calipers, so it's perfect for when you come. Now looking down the sides of the car is free from dents, scratches, a couple of stone chips around the vehicle which we've touched in with a pencil. However, our dent man's been round it, removed any minor trolley dents, as we do here, because we like to present them to the highest of standards. Now the car itself's got the reverse parking sensors and front parking sensors. Privacy glass as well is another nice factory option, and looking down the driver's side, that is also in superb condition. Now the car comes with 2 keys, it's got the book pack, it's got everything that was there when it was supplied new by Alfa Romeo is all still here today, you will be pleased to know. So there's the sunroof there, open. Now that's a big sunroof, opens up outside the car, and then as we look in the vehicle, this is where the quality does carry on through, and there is a sense of occasion. So we get 4 electric windows and electric door mirrors, we get the Alfa Romeo kick plate in aluminium, and then we get this half leather seat in the Super. The headrests have the embossed Alfa Romeo logo on, and then we get the steering wheel with paddle shift, doesn't it? It looks like a Ferrari, that. Beautiful inside. So as I pop into the car, you'll see the centre console has the black ash wood style interior trim, and then coming up we then get a USB auxiliary, great sound system. There you go, somebody's listening to a loud stereo. Automatic transmission, and then this one has also paddle shift there, so that's a lovely option on these, is the paddle shift. 27,516 miles as we do the video. Now you can have a split screen on an Alfa, so you can have the sat nav, the radio, but if we go through to the menu there, then you can see the radio, the media system. Just press the navigation and then that is all on the screen. Very nice indeed, these systems. You've got the car, you've Bluetooth, you've media, you've radio, you've got the whole shebang. Multifunction steering wheel is square bottomed, as I say, in an Alfa Romeo, and you do get that similar start button to that of the Ferraris that they use a similar steering wheel, and you similarly get paddles like that as well on the Ferrari. So very nice on this, so you can drive it in full manual mode and use the steering wheel, or full automatic and relax. Now the ash wood, that goes then into the dashboard and follows through. It's silver in the door trims. All the carpets, all the seats are all in perfect condition, as you can see. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper hasn't smoked either in this car, which is always good to hear. And then we've got the key, you can put the key onto there. We do have 2 keys and 12-volt USB and auxiliary in that centre armrest with storage. You've got cup holders then, if for coffees in the morning, or your keys, or your change, whatever you wish to put in there. See you, Steve. But a lovely car. Automatic dimming mirror, and then as I say, that sunroof, which is a lovely addition. I do like cars with panoramic roofs. Hopping out the vehicle, everything switches itself off, but yeah, what a gorgeous piece of kit. We sell lots of these cars, so give us a call. We've got always petrol and diesel in stock. Looking in the rear, again, no ifs or buts or maybes, it's in beautiful order. Isofix in the rear as well, with storage nets in the back of the seats. But just looking around this vehicle, there is a sense of occasion and a sense of care. So there's nothing really that would detract anybody from buying this beauty, let me tell you that. So, just to add the factory options: panoramic roof, parking sensors, red brake calipers, privacy glass, just over 2,500 of factory extras. So when you're looking at another TB that's not got those factory options, just shows you how great value this car is, and with only 27,000 miles on the clock. So if you'd like to reserve this car with us, you can give us a call. We'll take £250 deposit. That will then put the car off sale for you. Our service department will prepare that then, so you only need to visit our showroom in Wigan once. And at which point, once you've test drove the vehicle, gone around the vehicle, checked it over, make sure it's to your standards, you then can pay for it. If you need finance, we can do all that pre-arranged, and once you're happy with it, you just press the button and it gets paid out, and your monthly payment starts the following month. Once you've had it,